Welcome to Dubai Airshow 2019. A lot of great airplane on display that show here. The A350, brand new, Fiji Airways. Hola, Vinaka, 779 kilometers from South Korea to meet you here. I can't believe this is Saudi, like this is great improvement.
I fell in love with this direct mode side stick.
Welcome to Dubai Airshow 2019. Look at what's behind, the beautiful flight display line at the airshow. And I'm standing at the top of the airshow at the Air Traffic Control Tower.
Brigadier Abdul Salam Al-Mherbi, Flying Control Committee Chairman at the Dubai Air Show. During the flying display, we have a daily briefing, so that's why we order the pilots to follow our regulation, because the safety is our first priority here at Dubai Air Show.
But we have risk of the variable 25 knots, gusting 40 knots, with maybe the visibility drop to 500 with the CB cloud for tomorrow. We maybe get some thunderstorm with sandstorm with broken CB cloud.
Stop from the FCC. It will be followed by either clear the display box or land immediately.
Can you tell me what role does Dubai Air Navigation Service play during the air show?
For Dubai 2019, we have more than 160 airplane participating in the show. So what DANS does is to arrange for their arrival and then arrange for their departure later on and have a successful and safe display between 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. Well, briefly what we have here, as you see, this is a weather radar, a radar of having the big picture of what's happening around Al Maktoum International Airport. This is a ground radar. We monitor the aircraft movement in the ground service. And this is the monitor the aircraft during the display.
From an FCC perspective, we control all participants show during Dubai Air Show 2019 from the FCC control tower. The FCC control tower is located in the middle of the air show site, and we can see the view over here that all the participants, and we can see them taxiing out and taxiing in, and all has been managed by the FCC control. However, the main air traffic controllers are sitting in Al Maktoum Tower over there, which we direct them from during a hotline for them over there to give them the instruction through there.
Visibility 1,500 knots. My name is Ahmed Al-Mazroui. I'm the ATC supervisor of the air show. During the closure of the displays, I manage the air show from an ATC perspective. The most important thing for us is to get the displaying aircraft at the holding point on time so we don't delay a minute. Clear with display?
Okay, airspace is to FCC at this time. Thank you very much. Thanks. We have the airspace.
Okay.
And Al Fursan lining up. Runway 12, Victor 6, opposite direction. The guys over here will continue monitoring for the next 29 minutes, unfortunately, every profile that those guys are flying in the airspace to ensure that they are safe, they are following their profile, and we have the expert people over here that they can decide if it is safe or not safe. So therefore, we hope that they're going to have a good safe and a safe flight.
My name is Captain Rian Van Tonder. I am a pilot for Emirates Airline, instructor on the Boeing 777, seconded to the FCC, or the Flight Control Committee of the Dubai International Airshow. My role is to look at the commercial flight operations here. And now the A330 is going to fly, so I'll have to look at his profile and make sure that everything goes according to plan.
So you're not only looking after Emirates Airline, you're looking after all the commercial planes during the air show.
That's correct, all the commercial displays. The pitch up here is 25 degrees.